McKinley, born 84, named after Mount McKinley, the tallest mountain in North America. Because we wanted to go to the top, reach our peak. And every step we took up the way, we took to help you go further. Creating products that get you to your peak, no matter the weather or the height. But the truth is, we haven't reached our peak. Our journey is ongoing. Our ambition is ascending. To not only make mountain sports accessible to the many, but to improve its impact on the planet. So we, and generations to come, can keep exploring. Ever higher, ever further, ever more.